Well, this is a video of our project for chapters 5.1 to 5.4, and we're going to be drawing triangle midsegments, triangle perpendicular bisectors, triangle angle bisectors, and triangle medians and altitudes. We're starting off with midsegments. Right now, that's on the screen is what our end product is supposed to look like for triangle midsegments. And our goal is to plot these midpoints and then connect them, and then notice the properties that this segment is half the length of that one. This segment DF is half the length of this segment BC. You're supposed to notice parallelism. The DE is parallel to AC. Anyway, let's draw this figure. Get this done. So let me move this down where I have the same notes on the sheet. And we're going to plot points. Let's see if it fits. Okay, there's A. Whoops, I want to flip the paper so I don't have the ink run through to the next one. Okay, so there's A, there's B, and I don't know, over here, that fits, yes, C. Okay, so you connect the points, and so there's one, here comes BC, and here comes AC, AC. Now we need midpoints. Now, we can be creative in how we make those midpoints. I'm going to use a compass for the first one, or for this project, and then the next one I'm going to use a ruler instead to measure. Let's see, if I go like this, draw that arc, and draw another arc of the same radius. And if we connect those 2 points together, draw that line, that's a perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to put this point right here, and I'm going to label that D. So it matches our picture, except for I used blue ink instead of red. Oh well. Let's go for the next one. You make your compass a little more than halfway the length of that segment. And go to the end points. See, that one didn't quite reach. So we can fix that. Now it did. Connect those points with a perpendicular bisector, but we're only marking the midpoint. We're not drawing a perpendicular bisector. So that'll be point E, and then we need the midpoint of this one. Make that a little wider. So and another one. Oh, a little off there. Okay, and connect the points. So with our perpendicular bisector, that's going to be F. Now, we're only concerned about midpoints, so that this segment is now congruent to that segment. This one is congruent to that one. Excuse me, this one is congruent to that one. This segment, 3 marks, 3 marks. These two are congruent to each other. These are midpoints. Now let's connect the midpoints. And when you connect the midpoints, these red lines that I'm drawing right now are called midsegments. And they have these unique properties. Look, 3 marks, this one. See, this one's half the length of that side. 1 mark, 1 mark. This segment is half the length of that one. 2 marks, 2 marks. This one is half the length of that one. They're also, let's put some parallel marks. That line segment is parallel to that one. This line is parallel to this one. Oops, 2 marks. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that the 3 marks and the 3 marks just indicate that these as a pair are parallel to each other. It has nothing to do with these length marks that just happen to be the same. Okay, so that's it for that image for triangle midsegments.